Hello, my name is Gary Cody, and I'm with IllinoisCTE.org. And I want to talk today about VEX Robotics and their website. And if you Google VEX Robotics, what you can do is you go to VEX's website. And let me set up my Google here. And we will head right to their website. They have a tool that I think is pretty cool, and it's a online robotics course, and it actually has the you can move a robot around, you can control a robot. It's written in Python. If you are familiar with AP Computer Science Principles class, I understand this year they've selected Python as their programming language. So here I am at VEX Robotics, www.vexrobotics.com. And if we go to their main page here, they've got a little try now, VEX Code VR. It's right up here in the right-hand corner. And what I like about this thing is you can program in two modes. You can program in Python, but it also has Scratch blocks in it. So it'll come up in Scratch blocks and you can switch it over to Python. And what happens is this is the robot you get to control. I mean, it's you control its motion. It has a front distance sensor. It's got a built-in gyro and location sensor. It's got a left bumper, a right bumper. So I mean, it gives you a lot of options. They have different mazes that you can control and run on. They have 10 different mazes. You can do some numbering. They offer curriculum for it. So let me back up here. I want to go back out to their main website. And if you go to downloads and software, right here is their VEX Code VR. Also, they got some curriculum right here. So you can click on that and go to curriculum. I'm going to go to this VEX VR. And this is their, well, it's set up right now. I want to go back here and I want to select block mode to show you block mode here. Yeah, here's a block mode. I tell you what, if you've got some students who have programmed in the elementary or middle schools, they may have used block programming. It's pretty easy to use. It's a lot of fun. So students may want to be interested. But I think if you're at the high school level and the students need to take that AP course, I think programming in Python. So what you want to do is you select a new text project, and it comes up and gives you the basic screen here. Now you can start adding your Python code into this screen. So let's take a look. I've got one that's I've got loaded up already. And let me close a couple of these screens here. Here's where I put in my Python code. And it's going to control this robot through a maze. Let's take a look at some of the mazes here. And they have 10 different mazes you can use. It's really cool as they got this one dynamic one, but I actually use the wall maze one. And here's my wall maze program. And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to hit the letters A, B, C, and D in order, and then go up here and finish on the checkerboard. So I'm going to let this thing start. The other thing nice about it is they have capability of putting out debug stream messages. And what's nice about the debug stream messages is that you can see what your code is doing. So anyway, I'm going to let this start. And there's my old robot over here, no color found. Oh, found a blue color. And it's going along here, tracking. So anyway, you could set up different mazes. The dynamic mazes are really awesome. So if you get a chance, take a look at that. So let me flick back here and go back to my PowerPoint here. And if you go to our website, ilcte.org, and you look under YouTube videos right here, select that. I have 2 more videos that you can take a look at. So a lot of nice, it's a great tool. Oh, it's cloud-based too. Students aren't loading anything down to their computers. So thank you. Bye.